There was no caution tape until I arrived. Hi. It's okay. We're not blaming you guys. You guys are just doing your job.
Yeah, that's all they're doing.
Yeah, they're doing their job. So we're just trying to film and try to get your leader to speak to us. So now there's caution tape being put up. A nice gentleman over there. You need any help on this? You know, I'm very helpful, guys. Just want you to know that music behind me has not been authorized by me. It's so don't be deleting this video because of that. (5826) Trough Street. Can you hear the chickens? I can hear the chickens. He's got his shoes on. Well, their plates are good. They're government plates. Trying to see the neighbor here is at home, because the neighbor in that house, see, well, I'm going to do what they did, see if I can get in the back. Hey guys, anybody home? Hola. Hola. Hello, anybody home? Hi, anybody home? Hello? Hello, sir? Hello? Hi, can I go to your back property? They're killing chickens over there. Can I video from your back property?
No, not speak English.
There's a pollo. They're killing pollo over there. Can I video from your property? Gracias? Okay. Thank you, senor. All right. So I got permission. So I'm coming in on the back side. Oh, shit. It's on Trouth and 58th. I had said it earlier, but it's Trouth. If you come from Limonite, and go north on Trouth, it's before 58th Street on the right side. No police cars. They're killing on the other side. I can't see it. The other side of the property is for sale. Didn't look like any homeowners there. I'm gonna go back here. How you doing? Good. I'm not blaming you, just want to video it. So you're not our enemy. Your bosses are.
I got no problem with you.
That's cool. You're awesome. I don't know whose house it is, Pam. I think it was 6826 or something. Trough Street. I didn't see the homeowners. If they're home, they're probably inside. The lady across the street who parks her car here said that the lady is probably working. So they're basically looking for all the chickens. See? So the team. I'm on Troth and 58th Street. Come to Limonite, get to Troth. It's 5826 Troth, 5826 Troth. So that beautiful caution tapes you can see, it just put me a little closer to the backside. So we got 3 guys there, got a lady and 2 guys up front. I know there was another guy that was putting up the caution tape. So this is a lot of money here is being spent to kill some chickens. And there's 4 guys back here. Hey, Aly, did you hear what I said? Where was that? Miraloma. Jurupa Valley is the city, but area of Miraloma. Etowanda is the major cross street, Limonite and Etowanda. Okay, they're way back in the corner. They moved to the back of the corner. I'm going to try to go this way and see what happens. Because I'm not talking. Okay, can't see nothing back here, guys. Yeah, I haven't said anything. That's why there's no sound. There's no noise coming over there at all. Do not know, Monica. Do not know. I was given information from a lead, so I'm here now. A lot of people around here have trusted me and given me information on when and where they're going. So we've got them now. what we need is people to come here and follow the kill team, because there's only one kill team so far. As long as we know where the kill team is, we know where their next location is, because that's where I'm going to do. I'm going to just stick with the kill team today. No, I didn't jump over the fence. I walked up to the corner property and I knocked on the door. The gentleman said he didn't speak Spanish. I tried my little pollo thing and he says sure. So I told him if I can come back here. No, I don't do anything illegal. I always get permission, because I don't want them to take the opportunity to arrest me. But I guess they're gassing back there because the guy's just standing there. Got one more guy coming in here. Trying to figure out how I can get on the backside. But I don't want to get to the backside and then they move on me. Let's go ahead and get these people in authority. Got too comfortable up front. Okay. So the guy with the red shirt, he was in the car down the street. I thought he might have been, because it was weird to have a nice car like that just parked. Or maybe he isn't. Maybe he's just a homeowner. Maybe he's just asking questions. I don't know. But no. He works. I can see his gray boots. So I'm going to come around and get a face on him and his car, because he was driving a normal car. And I thought, oh, that guy looks kind of suspicious for sitting here. Nobody sits around here. Everybody goes to their house or drive right by. So, I don't think I can get to the back of the house, but muchas gracias, señor. I think the vets are in the front. When I came up, I didn't see no vets back there. Oh, they're coming straight to me. I think they're going to the neighbors. Yeah, a lot of chickens running around. You don't speak English, you better need a translator. Thank you. Oh, we're great. We know that you're just doing your job, so don't think that we're hating you, okay? We just want to talk to your leader, that's it. Just like the aliens, when they come, they want to talk to President Trump.
Oh, they do?
I hope so. He can solve all our problems. What we need to do is give you guys a raise and move you on to something better. Well, I appreciate it. What's your name? You're Chad? You're not? Okay, good. You're a nice guy. I love this guy. Look at that guy. Give me a thumbs up. That's why Travis Allen should have won. Well, this is what the gentleman gave me. Doesn't have any names on it, but at least they're being nice, which is what we need out here. They got a hard job, and eventually Senor! I gotta go around this river. Since he's already given me permission, I might as well. you see him? Because, oh, okay, there he is. John Denlos.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you too.
Yeah.
I'm trying to do a positive spin on this. The problem here is
No communication.
no communication, no due process. I'm gonna keep you off the thing because we're talking. The thing is we just want to be able to have somebody answer our questions rather than giving us basic stuff.
I'll keep talking to the PIO.
Yeah.
And telling them that you're looking for answers.
We're looking for answers, you know, and the thing that I'm here, my biggest beef is I don't give a dang if these people are illegal or not. We are a sanctuary state. We should be paying them for their chicken. Gavin Newsom is telling them that they can live here because we're a sanctuary state. And then at the same time, the federal government says we're not giving you a check. That's a contradiction. You see where I'm coming?
I hope they can answer those questions for you.
Yeah.
They should be able to. I don't see why not. So.
Yeah. What I want them to do is to give these people the same compensation. If they were illegal and we weren't a sanctuary state, then there's no argument here. Yeah. The argument here is these people don't know what's going on. They're giving up the chickens.
Should get fair compensation.
Exactly.
I understand.
That's it.
Yeah. I think the PIO should be able to help you with those questions.
And if you give these people compensation, you know what? Most people will be like, whatever you say. You know, whatever you say. Exactly. But this is unfair game. Look how nice the guy is.
There's no doubt.
Yeah, these are the most gentle people in the world, and they're getting run over.
These are hardworking people.
Yeah.
Man.
All they want to do is enjoy peace that they cannot get in another country. They can get it right here. But this thing here is not.
It's been very stressful too.
Yeah, if the people like you came in your neighborhood, my neighborhood, we'd be like, no, exactly. But there's not.
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Oh, I appreciate it.
They have such large lots here. They're beautiful, beautiful homes, beautiful lots. They have a lot.
It's freedom. That's what they're here for.
This is a big deal.
Yeah.
Okay. So what he's telling us is that he just off the people working him. He was giving us permission to go ahead and answer his questions. Okay. So the fact that they some of these are just all over the place. What we do is we're gonna get your contact information and give you a call. So lo que van a hacer es podemos agarrar su número de teléfono y le podemos hablar.
Yeah.
También
Yeah, you did ask me to come. Oh yeah, I did. Good. Yeah, good. I've been visiting you guys for like a half an hour. Yeah. When you guys put the tape up. Yeah. No. I'm the guy that follows rules. If you see me, I follow rules. I'll give you my phone number.
Yes, 5.
It's not in here, in my city. So it's got nothing to do with this. No, these people can't vote for me. As a matter of fact, the people over there can't even vote for me. Because I got the same people. I'm trying to get them to get the vote. The only people that can save their own time is their own time.
Well, they understand their neighborhoods. They know what's going on around here. They should have a say.
No, they don't know. They don't know. Because they don't think their voice counts. Unlike how we were raised, American, our voice counts. One vote counts.
Yeah.
They're not there yet.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to get them there. And then I can relax. Because I want to make more Americans. That's why too. I was Vietnamese right here. You know what I mean?
It's Mexico.
Dude, I love you. That's, you make.
I mean, everyone should have a fair shot here.
Exactly.
Obviously, you're the same way. We just want to abide by the rules.
Right. Cops come, clerks, cashiers, soldiers. You don't mess with the people. We only follow orders.
Aunque no esté yo aquí,
Ok, nomás tenemos que llamar, pagar permiso, que usted dijo que sí está bien, si podemos entrar, y de ahí podemos hacer esto.
yo siempre estoy aquí, pero en el caso de que no estuviera,
Would he be able to get his check if he gets somebody with a social security number? That's all we want around here.
Right.
You know, take the chickens, save the world.
sí, eso sí, ya lo traen.
Excellent. That's a good story then.
Sí, okay. So he has all the paperwork done.
He has all his paperwork. Okay, well that's fine, Mr. Ramon. If we settle all of that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna follow up.
Lo que vamos a hacer es que nomás, ya como hizo todos los papeles,
Most gates
vamos
are
a
open,
venir para
man.
atrás y
I don't
nomás
want to get
vamos a
started
mirar lo que
walking.
está pasando, que están aquí en su propiedad, y de ahí nomás vamos a otra vez a seguir pasando. Okay. Gracias por su tiempo.
Thank you. This has been a very nice crew. They explain everything. I'm Juan, by the way, John. Muchas gracias, señor.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
All right, as long as you get your check, I'm happy. ¿Está bien? You win? Okay. Gracias. All right, folks, you just saw the process of how it works. The homeowners are consenting, you know, and the guy didn't give me his name, but I like him, you know. So I'm gonna stick with you with the process here. We saw it. We saw it firsthand, how they come up, talk to the folks out here, and they did have a translator. And then go back to where the action is, you know. You guys did great. Very nice to that guy, by the way.
Thank you.
Yes, you guys make the judgment call. I'm doing this video in here, trying to stay friendly and nice. So that way, they're coming back, don't worry. Okay, we got 6 guys in white jumpsuit, just like I told you before. They're home? Oh, but I gotta get permission. I can't go on any property without permission. It's empty though? Huh? Well, you know, you gotta make an appointment. It's a fine line. Hi, darling. Hi. I'm not a stranger, I'm John. I'm coming over for dinner later. All right. All you folks that's PMing me right now, I'm sorry I can't read it because I don't want to risk losing my video feed. So I will check out after I get done. Exactly, Daniela. That is exactly a good point. It's California plates. This is the government plates. No, that's Dodge Ram. This is Dodge Ram. Ford. Dodge Ram. What is this? Dodge Ram? Should we start boycotting Dodge Ram? There's 3 Dodge Rams here. That is Idaho plates over there. Well, yeah, I'm just hoping I don't lose our video because we got music back there. I hope you guys can't hear it very good. But the guy's really friendly and he's a lot bigger than me, so I didn't want to tell him to turn off his music. His kids are playing outside. A couple of toddlers. And he was nice. He was telling me to go around the corner on the for sale sign there. Go look at the property, but I don't want to take that risk. Alright, just so you know, this is Troth Street, 5826 Troth. Alright, 5826 Troth. Nobody has done anything to try to stop me from videoing, and they're all fine. So, a crew of 3 in that truck. It's poor lighting because the sun is literally on top of me. So it's gray Dodge Ram. Basically, so far, that one's a Ford truck. No, the truck, the music's coming from across the street behind us. None of these guys, the government guy is on the shade here, green shirt. That's the government truck. They're cleaning up. That was toddlers at the other house across the street. Okay, so we got 2 guys in the white truck so far. One lightly browned, one pale skin. And we got 2 more guys back there that's still wearing their suits. Only thing is, the guy that's decontaminating should still be wearing his suit. You look like a typical agricultural guy, always smiling.
We just try and serve.
I understand.
Yeah.
I understand. We just want somebody to talk to us.
Sure.
You know, and giving us a card isn't going to work.
No.
Yeah.
Do you have anybody talking to the science folks up at UC Davis?
Well, yeah, and they're giving us a runaround.
Are they, okay. Working
Yeah.
on a different way to do this someday.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, the illegal residents should be getting the check because this is a sanctuary state, right? So right now, President Trump and Gavin Newsom's working together, when technically they shouldn't be working together. We should be getting a check for everyone that's illegal, that's getting they're losing their chicken. Then most of us won't be so hostile.
Yeah.
But so it's not fair play. You see what I'm saying?
I do.
And then the illegal are very docile people, very nice people. They're the ones letting you guys in. Is this gringo that's going El Pollo Loco on you, right? So you like my jokes, huh? Everybody that was probably listening probably don't like it, but they don't understand. I'm trying to talk to you, and you ain't gonna talk to me if I came here like a crazy man, right? Yeah. By the way, I'm known as the crazy chicken guy because I do the chicken dance for the chickens.
Do you?
Yeah, John Dunlop's.
Does it work?
No, I haven't saved any chicken so far. It's an honor to meet you. I like folks who smile, especially even under this
We're not
situation.
smiling because of what we're doing. It's just
I'm not. You're not on it. Can you just say what you're saying? This gentleman just said he's not smiling because of what he's doing. He's smiling because what else can he do? He's doing his job, right? There you go. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. So, like I said, folks, we have to get to the top. The top guys. They're the ones. Looks like he's driving to Idaho. If you are from Idaho, I'll see you in 5 years. That's where I'm planning, Idaho or Oregon or Northern California, but I'm heading north because almost everybody that's in these wild, open countries, they're friendly. Teresa is a major issue. The illegal immigrants are not getting a check, so it is a major issue. If you have a Social Security number, you get a check. So a lot of folks have not been getting a check. All right? So yeah, Teresa, I'm not trying to divide us. I'm trying to make a point here. If we're going to be a sanctuary state, so we've got two guys driving off in the Dodge Ram 1500 with government plates. So we need to be playing fair. They're not playing fair. All right? So I'm not trying to divide anybody. The guy in red looks like he's the boss guy. I'm going to show you his vehicle in a minute. They disinfected that truck. I didn't see them disinfect the gray Dodge Ram. Oh, there you go. Dodge Ram black truck. I think that was Eric. He probably saw me and drove off. Dodge Ram black truck. That's probably Eric. Brand spanking new. So I think the key I have 4 Dodge Ram, folks. 1 Ford truck. All right. So if you see a Dodge Ram truck, it's definitely it. Well, I think he's at one of the levels for communication, Monica. Yes, they do pay for the birds they kill if you have a Social Security card. So if you do not have a Social Security card, right, a Social Security number, you don't get paid. And there's a lot of folks around here that's living here under the sanctuary state. The address is 5826, Gina, 5826 South. It's got an American flag out there, and she's not home. The homeowner, I have not seen it. So the gentleman that's talking to them now is across the street. The Idaho guy is decontaminating his tires. And this is definitely some agricultural guy. Just like I said. Very friendly guy. My past life I used to plant grass up and down the 99 freeway. So I was on a lot of polo fields, a lot of agricultural places using my tractor. I'll post my picture someday. And so I know a farming guy when I see one. They always smile. Drought or at good times, they always got a smile. I don't know if they're paying them enough, Jade. Next time somebody asks me or tells me that they're getting paid, I'm going to get in the car because I'm going to follow the killing crew. All right. That other car is a Nissan HAPT 8689. So I got to go. I'm going to get off the live feed right now.